Hey, sir, what state are you from?
Georgia?
Georgia?
Yes, sir.
The license plate, I do believe, give it away.
It's just a telltale, wasn't it?
It was. Hey, I love your truck, man.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You haul all over or just stick around Georgia?
I don't know. I haul carpet from Georgia to the northwest, and I take produce right back to the southeast.
Absolutely.
Apples, potatoes, onions, whatever's coming out.
Absolutely.
Cherries, whatever, pears.
Come on.
California.
Load me and I'll roll, he says. That's it. You like this truck?
I love this truck.
Absolutely.
I get made fun of because of the color.
Oh, no, man.
Oh, yeah. I get a lot of crap over it.
I don't care. I think it looks good.
I don't care what nobody says. I like it too.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
This is what I wanted. I didn't make them happy.
Absolutely. Hey, that's what it's all about, man. Absolutely. Is this your most favorite truck you've ever had?
It is. I had Freightliners forever, and in 2015 had a problem with a Freightliner, and they wouldn't work with me. And my wife said, the next truck we get the train. I go, what the hell are you talking about, a train? She goes, you know, the triangle front. I said, you talking about a Lone Star? She said, yeah. So the first truck that I got was a Lone Star. This is my second one.
Got you. So if this truck was to just catch on fire and burn tonight, which we hope it don't, would you go buy another one just like it?
I can't. They don't make them no more.
Right. Would you go find a good used one if you could?
I probably would. This is a 24. I'd probably look for a 21 or 22 because the one I had was a 19 model, and I had almost just under 800,000 miles on it. I got it at 18. I sold it 2 years ago. A friend of mine. It was a good truck. It really was. So far.
Good, man. Awesome. Well, I hope it continues to give you good service, man.
I hope it does too.
Yes, sir.
And my trailer is 1997.
Oh, wow. Well, that looks good.
Yeah, I had it painted 6 years ago. That paint's got metal flake like this does. $500 a gallon. It
Woo!
took 4 gallons to paint that damn thing.
$500 a gallon paint.
Because it has metal flake in it.
Right.
And I did not realize that. And the guys that work on my trailer, I go, oh yeah, we can paint the whole thing for you. Just give us the code. And they call me and say, are you sure you want to do this? I went, yeah, I want it to match. What's the problem? Oh, there ain't no problem. We just want to be sure you want to do this. I go, yeah. But when they did it, they go, it's $500 a gallon. I go, you didn't tell me that part. But, it is what it is. It's tax deduction and it looks good.
Hey, it looks great, man. It looks great. All right. You said, what's this color called?
It's called dark metallic violet. I had a Freightliner that was painted a little bit lighter. The trailer was lighter too. It was called Mother's Violet. I did that when my mom passed away. It just kind of jumped out when I looked at the colors. And then International don't have that color, so I went one shade darker, and that's what this is, a dark metallic.
I like it, man. Well, thanks for telling us about your truck, my man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep Georgia kicking.
I'm trying to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, I got that truck clip out.